Hello everyone! If you're craving for something sweet yet healthy and feel like cheating on your diet, here is a date with a nut for you which your diet won't mind you cheating with. So begin with adding 1 cup of walnuts in a blender to make a coarse powder. Then add 8 pitted dates along with 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. Then blend together to get a smooth mixture. Once the mixture is ready, take a small portion with a spoon and roll it between your palms into a ball of desired size. Continue to do the same to make the balls of the rest of the mixture. Garnish with some cocoa powder to give the balls an extra oomph. Enjoy these healthy energy balls whenever you feel like cheating without getting caught. For more such healthy treats, stay tuned with lots of cooking.